In the construction industry, what we find is communication is key. At a construction site, you may not have all of the capabilities and communications and bandwidth that you need. We can actually come up with solutions for you that allows you to communicate back with home office or multiple sites. In manufacturing environments, what we have found is that our customers have spent a lot of money on their specialized equipment that allows them to produce phenomenal and fantastic products. Our customers want to keep that equipment in production for many, many years, which provides some technology obstacles. Simple things like backup, network connectivity, even the computer systems that these machines are based on wear out. And how do you back this up when the operating system is no longer supported? We have the experience to do these things. We have the experience to keep you up and running and to protect your investment in your environment. Focus on your business and the people in it. Let us serve you and take the stress out of your technology needs.